quick look at a piece of software that one of my students told me about called Google NotebookLM. Now, the free version of this software, you can have, I think it's up to 50 notebooks, so it's pretty decent. All you need is a Google account and you can log into it. And I'll show you what this is. So I'm just going to share my screen and get into it. Screen. Okay. So you can download it as an app or you can use it completely online, whatever your preference is. So I've got the app version installed at the moment. I've got mine set to dark mode as well, as most of my software is. So there's quite a few different example notebooks on here. But if we just go to create new, there's lots of things you can do. So with this software, you can do searches, you can add any website links, you can upload any files, anything from your Google Drive, any copied text. And then you've got a whole range of different things on the right hand side here that you can then do with that. So for example, let's search the web for this one. Let's have a look for what to look for. Let's look for all about squirrels. A bit random. There we go. Let's see what comes up. So basically on the left hand side here, it will look at the web for you, save you having to trawl through lots of different websites, and it will bring in lots of different sources. There we go. So lots of things in Wikipedia, different websites, etc. And now I can import those if I want to. That shouldn't take a moment or two. I'll give my notebook a name as well. Let's call it All About the Squirrels. And there we go. So it's got all these different sources. Popping them in, I can ask any specific questions I want to, if you like. How many different colours of squirrels are there, for example? Let's see what it comes up with. So yeah, so the questions are related to the different sources it's found online, so it'll be interesting to see what it comes up with. But while it's doing that, on the right hand side, we've got loads of different options. I'm not going to go through absolutely every single one, but I can create an audio overview, a bit like a podcast. I can create a slideshow or slide deck as they call it on here, and I can save it as a PowerPoint or just keep it as Google Slides and create a video overview. And it just takes all the source material and it creates a video. I create a mind map, any reports, flashcards if I'm doing some sort of revision. I create a quiz again, really good for revision purposes, an infographic and a data table, which is like pretty much what it sounds like, really. So yeah, I've asked my question. It's come up with different things here about different squirrels, different colours, etc., and different types. So let's try creating some of these things. Now, some of these do take a little while, so I do apologise. So let's just go to slide deck. So you can choose to have a detailed deck or presenter slides. You can choose the length of it, and you can add any specific details you might want as well. So include lots of nice pictures. Generate. There we go. So, as I say, it might take a little while, particularly for the slideshow side of things. But while it's doing that, let's have a go at some of these others as well. I won't bother putting any prompts in there at the moment. Just click on generate. And we'll get a quiz going as well. Why not? Like I said, I'm not going to go through absolutely every single one. I will go to my map because that's usually pretty quick. And let's just do an infographic as well. Lots of different infographic types. I can put some what I'd like in there as well. So I'll just click on generate for now. So hopefully this won't take too long. So the mind map's done already, so I'll just quickly demonstrate what that looks like. So here we go. So it's created a mind map based on the sources it found on the internet. I've got my topic there, main topic there, squirrels, and then all the different subtopics: biology, physical traits, diets, foraging, mythology, and folklore, all sorts of things. And I could expand any of those. Bit more information, I can then expand them again for a little bit more information. So really very clever, really, it's done that in absolutely no time at all. I can just maximize these different sections. They've got all the different options that are in there. So pretty cool, especially for freebie as well. So I could download that if I want to. Obviously you'd need to have, I can't remember what it downloads it as an image file. That's pretty good. So let's just have a quick look, see how that turns out. It says, just being a bit slow to load. So, okay, so it obviously downloads only what you've got expanded on that mind map at the moment. So because I didn't have anything expanded, it's just got the main topic in there, which is not very helpful. But you, yeah, you get the idea. You can download it if you want to. Let's just see if any of these other things have finished doing yet. Oh yeah, we've got our flashcards and our quiz. So let's have a quick look at the flashcards first. So really, really useful this one, particularly for sort of students or youngsters or or universities or anybody really. Really good for revision side of things. So I can either press space or I can click on here. To which class of animals do squirrels belong? I have no idea because I've not read. Oh, okay, I don't think it's going to be that simple. Of course, it's mammals, and you can have a bit more information about that as well. You've got this explain button. It goes back to this AI element in the middle here, and you can ask further questions. You can say whether you think this is a good flashcard or not, and then go to your next one. Which continental score is naturally absent? Um, ooh, Africa? Oh, I'm not doing very well, am I? Anyway, I'm not going to embarrass myself any further by doing the whole quiz. So yeah, that's the quiz option, and then we've got sorry, flashcards option. This is the quiz option. According to molecular phylogenetic research using the CMYRAG1 genes, what is the evolutionary relationship of flying squirrels to tree squirrels? Oh my goodness. I couldn't even hazard a guess. Let's go for that one. Ah, yeah, definitely not the quiz for me. Why I chose squirrels specifically, I don't know. I don't know that much about them. Um, but it's just to demonstrate how well it works. Let's see. So we've also got, oh no, we've already looked at the buying back. So those other two might take a little bit longer. So I'm just going to show you one that I did earlier. If I can find it. There we go. My notebooks. So all sorts of random ones from different things. So this is one that I created from, in fact, no, let's just show you one from a PDF. So this one was a PDF uploaded, and I also added some sources from the web as well. So these are a couple of things that I made earlier. So this is the slideshow that it's created. It's pretty detailed. So let's have a quick look. So this is just from a document about time travel that I uploaded and any sources it's found on the web. I can go to presentation view. I can also download this as a PowerPoint, as I previously mentioned. So yeah, it's really cool. Some of the colors and sort of images and things, it's picked up like that sort of color scheme from the original article that I uploaded, and it's put its own spin on it. So very, very helpful. Obviously, you have to be a little bit careful in terms of using AI to create things for you if it's for specific work, but it's for a good starting point. It's great. You can add sort of notes and things in there as well. So very cool. I'm just going to flick back again and just see if oh no, sorry, wrong one. See if my other one has finished doing anything yet. Oh, so we've also got our infographic. So let's just click on that one. Look at that. There we go. That's lovely, that. So yeah, American spellings in it. We could possibly be a bit more specific in the prompt or settings maybe to say that you want English spelling, but that's pretty nice. It's got some lovely pictures in there. It's got a lot of information. So that's really good. If you just wanted to make a quick infographic for or a poster or something for some for somebody in the workplace, for example, this would be fab. I really like that. That's lovely. And the slide deck's not quite finished yet, but at least you've had a quick look. So yeah, as I mentioned, you can bring in any documents you might have on your computer, or you can just search the web. So this is one for an anime that my daughter got me watching recently, and that I just searched the web and got lots of sources. And this has created a really cool slideshow on this one, which looks super. So yeah, very clever how it works. And I will just quickly show one more as well, actually. So on where's it gone? On this one, I uploaded a free PDF that I found online about autism spectrum disorder. Uh, and it's got all the different bits and pieces in here. It's created a blog post about it. That's one of the options that you've got. It's also created infographic and video as well that it's come up with. I'll just quickly show you what the videos look like.
Today, we're going to dive into a topic that touches millions of lives, but, it's often really misunderstood. We're talking about on this development.
Get the idea. I won't make you watch the whole video. So very cool. Did I do the audio on this one? I don't think I did, so I can't show that one at the moment. But yeah, really clever. The slideshow on this is pretty cool as well because on the original document, I'm not sure, there you go. So the front page of the original document I uploaded is all this nice color scheme, and it's translated that across to the slideshow as well. So it's obviously taken that and created something pretty good. I've not looked in this great detail, so I don't know if it's all completely 100% accurate. But again, you can save it as a PDF document. You can edit it to your heart's content. You can put whatever you want, change whatever you want. If it's not done a very good job, but it looks pretty decent. So yeah, so that's kind of Google Notebook in a bit of a nutshell. I don't think my squirrel slideshow is finished yet, so I'll leave that for now. But other than that, those are sort of some of the main bits that you can do. Obviously, you can add sources at any point. You can add further sources. You can decide which sources you want. If it's found a load of things on the internet, you don't want them all, you can untick them. Dead easy. You could just search for something, pretty much anything you like. Like I said, you can upload your own files, you can add any website links, all that sort of thing. So super simple. And pop any text in that you like. So yeah, this is Google Notebook LM. There's some configuration options. Also, depending on what it is you want, how long you want your workspace, etc. A few settings in there, so you can link it with Discord. You can choose your output language and various bits and pieces, and yeah, and that's pretty much it. So, oh, and you can also add notes as well. You can create any notes. So if you are working on something specific, you can pop any notes in there as well, and you can also convert that to a source. So yeah, that's Google Notebook LM. Definitely recommend it. As I say, one of the students that I work with mentioned this one to me some weeks back, and I've used it quite a lot since. Another student also mentioned something similar called Memo AI, which I've not really had much chance to have a proper look at yet, but probably worth taking a look at both and see what the differences are. So yeah, thank you very much. I shall stop sharing my screen there and see you again soon. Bye.